Alrighty, this is the OLEGA steam pot. You can steam things, you can do hot pot, you can do all kinds of things with this guy. This is a very useful multi-purpose electric hot pot. You can use it to make soup, you could use it to boil water for pasta, you could do the Chinese hot pot, the dumplings, and now today I'm not doing anything too fancy. I'm just doing on the steam level here some hot dog buns because they were a little bit, you know, too long in the fridge there. And then under here I got a couple of glizzies ready.
Yeah, nigga, no, not you, nigga. He got me. Hey, don't jump down. Come this way. Go right across.